Okay guys, here is the revised drawings. This is all to size and scale. Starting off with the fridge, this line right here represents the depth of the fridge with about a 1 inch space in the back. So that point is the front of the fridge handles. So from this point to the countertop over here, you have plus or minus an inch, about 38.5 inches. If we go all the way to the left side or the right side of the cabinet, 43, 38.25, and take off about 1.5 inches for the countertop overlay. So that's just to the front of the fridge. So that's going to be your walkway space. And I really don't want to go any smaller than that. But from the front of the fridge leg to get the fridge in place, that's 47 minus 1.5 inches or so. So there's plenty of room to get the fridge in. But I just want to leave ample walkway space because that's going to be important. So looking at a couple of the changes, let's start on this wall. Window, this is now an apron sink. So we will build a frame around that sink because the sides of that are at an angle, and I have the specs for that. Your dishwasher to the right. Trash, Lazy Susan. And we have 6 3/4 inch from the side of the cabinet to the side of the window opening. That's not the trim, but the window opening. I've got the window opening at 36 1/4 wide. The double oven wall, here's that Lazy Susan cabinet. Same thing here. 6 3/4 from the opening. 6 3/4 from the right side of this cabinet, number 24, to the door jamb, just to make sure that there's room for that outlet right there. Oven on the bottom, microwave on the top, drawer below. Refrigerator, these fridge legs are 29 inches deep. This is a glass door cabinet that's 16 inches deep, glass shelves, wine fridge, and the panel on the left side. So this panel and this cabinet is new. And what else is new is, well, the door style, because we did it originally with a shaker door, I believe. But now we're putting paneling on the back of the peninsula here. So the same door style that we have on the front of the cabinets, we have on the back. And this is void space. And I know you asked about making that usable, but it's just, I don't think it's worth the effort to do that. So this is the peninsula in between the two wings. Spice pull out, drawer stack, and this is the end cabinet with the tray divider and the cooktop. So this is one thing I want to go over with you because that cooktop is pretty big. So this gray represents the size of the cooktop. So it's 27.5 from the back to the front. And I'm leaving 3/4 inch off the wall for backsplash. But this is to scale. That's how much it'll hang out. And because of that, we are pretty close here when this drawer opens that it'll clear. According to this, it will. The other option is this 45-degree filler piece here. We make this side of it about 3/4 or a little bit bigger to help with that. But that, as you can see, that's pretty tight clearance space. But this is the overall look that we've got here. Again, microwave on the top, oven on the bottom, glass doors, Lazy Susan, trash, apron sink, dishwasher, and then an appliance hood. And on top of all this is the crown molding. And we have, I believe, 3 3/4, because right here is the side of the window. Left side of this to the window opening is 3 3/4 of an inch. Yep, right here. Okay, thanks. Let me know.